Hi everyone! Today I'm going to explain the English vowel sounds in a simple and clear way. You will learn all about the pronouns and see another samples. So let's start. For first, we have the E or long E. It sounds like E. For example, we have the word key. Sheep is a long E. E. Repeat after me. E. Now we have the E or short E. It sounds like E. E. For example, we have the words like fish, hit, sink. Repeat after me. E. E. For the next, we have the vowels oo. It sounds like oo. Oo. For example, we have the food, book, cook. Repeat after me. Ooh. Ooh. The next vowel is the longest. Ooh. It sounds like ooh. Ooh. So we have these test examples like moon, shoe, you, and two. Repeat after me. Ooh. Ooh. Now we have the vowel E. It's like an short E. For example, we have the words like egg, left, 10. Repeat after me. E. 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 This vowel sounds like an A. We have this word like cat, tat, flat. Repeat after me. A. 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 Now we have the lazy sound in the English. It sounds like an E. 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 For example, today, teacher, around. Repeat after me. E. 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 As we have the vowels like For example, we have the first, work, her. It sounds like uh, uh, uh. This vowel sounds like an O. For example, or, for, perform. Repeat after me. O. 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 For the next, we have the vowel A. For example, cap, bat, track. Repeat after me. A. 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 For the next, we have the A. It sounds like far, par, hard. Repeat after me. Ah, ah. The last vowel is the O. It sounds like O. For example, not, lock, on. Repeat after me. O, O, O. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned the English vowel sounds. Keep practicing every day and see you the next time. Bye!